Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you like how you can iterate over a dictionary. But here I am going to iterate over both key and values in a dictionary in the Python. Okay, so how we can do that? So let's create a dictionary. Okay, I am just creating a dictionary. Dict1 is I am giving name and then I am just giving it's some key and values. Okay, like this one I am doing it. I will give a simple sorry for this one. Let me give it and one more. I will give C and its value is 3. That's it. So this is a dictionary. I want to iterate over it. Iterate means I want to apply for loop over it. Okay. So if I will do directly like for item in dict 1 and if I will just do a print here, then what will happen after doing this? Let's run this code. Okay, so how we can run a Python code? Let me open a terminal here, new terminal. Okay, so here let me just this file name is test.py. Okay, so Python test.py. So you can see ABC, it is iterating only over the keys, but if I want to iterate over both, so what I need to do, I need to do something like this for key. You can give anything here, but key and value I want to iterate over both in dict1 dot items. You need to do these things, and then if you will do print key and print its value. Okay, to separate them, I will just give another print. You can keep them in one line also, but for now, let's do this. And if I will run it again, you can see here this print is coming from here ABC. Okay, after that A1, then B2 and C3. So if you always remember, if you want to iterate over both keys and values in a dictionary, just use this dict dot items. It is very helpful. Thank you very much.